Hello YouTube, back here with another video. This is going to be a Cornwell tool haul. Let's get to the video. So I got a couple items from Cornwell this week. We got the new baby Nipex. Shout out to Coon Trucking. He posted these in this video. These are cool for you put in your pocket from how small they are. So that's my hand, the palm. They're really small. Put them by your shirt pocket, and you'll forget you have them till you need them. So got some of these. Part number, let's see if I could get it on camera. 87100. That's gonna be the Nipex part number. Cornwell number. I'll try to put a screenshot of their website if they have them on their website already. I don't know if they do, but I accidentally threw the tag. It came and it had the part number already, but I threw that away. I also got this terminal release tool set. Let's open her up. I guess CTGT6S is a part number. Those are your release tools, different pins and whatnot. I got because this one, it's so you could speed access to a wire harness. You could cut those harnesses that are wrapped in electrical tape. Put that in there, pinch it, and then just cut straight through it. And it's a little serrated. So those are your different pins. They come in a little case. They come with a gripped handle. Cornwell emblem there. So that's this here. And then I got these gear wrench 120 XPs. I know they come up with the 90s already. My dealer hasn't had the 90s yet, but I needed some extra ratchets, either for I wanted these either. I'm still thinking, I don't know if they're starting to put me in service calls, so I don't know if I want to put them in the service truck or keep them for when I do side work here. So I'm still thinking about what I want to do with these, but that's the reason I got them. Let's get a closer look on them. Gear wrench part number 8123 OP. Has a 1/2 inch, quarter, and 3/8. They're all chrome handle, but they're flex. So they come in their pre-foam molding. Nice molding to keep them organized. Let me put the camera more down so you guys can see, get a better idea. That's a good angle right there. So here's the quarter flex, and they all have detents. These have been out for quite a while, so everybody should know about these. I might do a versus 120 XPs versus those Husky 144 position ratchets. I'll upload that video. You guys would see that video before this one. So they have a right there 3 degree. Tells you on the little selector switch. There's an on off switch. There's your quarter. There's your stubby 3/8 flex. Here's a long 3/8 on off. And here's your 1/2 inch. I actually like the foam molding casing. Let me get a socket so you guys can see how they look with the socket installed on them. So this is 3/8 10. Quarter 9/16 socket here. And a 1/2 inch ratchet with a 15/16 socket here. So that is the Cornwell tool haul I have for you. Today is September, I think the 29th. Yeah, September 29th, 2020. You guys will see this a couple days later because I have to edit this video out. Sorry for the airplane noise. But this is the Cornwell tool haul for this week. Stay tuned for the next video. It'll be a Cornwell October flyer. It's gonna be 2 flyers, one toolbox flyer and their tools deals for the month of October. See you guys again.